If you want to force restart your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9, all you have to do is you need to press and hold these two buttons, and you will have to hold them for a couple of seconds until the screen turns off. So if you press and hold both of these buttons, at first you might even see the power menu, but that is fine. You can of course ignore it, and then once the screen turns off, you can release both buttons. And now you just have to patiently wait for the smartwatch to turn back on. In fact, it seems that the Galaxy Watch 9 needs some time to actually properly reboot. So you don't have to press and hold the power button or the home button to turn it back on. You just have to patiently wait and give it even a minute or two to actually reboot and turn back on by itself. In case in 5 minutes top, if nothing happens with the watch, if the watch doesn't turn back on, and then of course you can use the home button, but I'm pretty sure it should turn back on by itself. Leave a like and subscribe.